Hey everyone, and welcome back to the What Is, What Isn't series here on Owlogy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's all about what goes on inside your head, brainwaves. We'll explore what they are, what they aren't, and why they matter. So, if you find this video interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more mind-bending content. Simply put, brainwaves are electrical impulses produced by your brain cells communicating with each other. Think of your brain as a massive, intricate network of billions of neurons. When these neurons send signals to each other, they generate tiny electrical currents. These currents, when measured collectively, create rhythmic patterns. These are your brainwaves. They're like the unique musical score of your brain activity, constantly changing based on what you're doing, thinking, or feeling. We measure them in hertz, which indicates the number of cycles per second. Different frequencies correspond to different states of consciousness. There are 5 primary types of brainwaves, each associated with distinct mental states. Delta waves. These are the slowest brainwaves and are most prominent during deep, restorative sleep, the kind of sleep where your body and mind truly rejuvenate. If you're producing a lot of delta waves while awake, it might indicate brain injury or certain disorders. Theta waves. Slightly faster than delta, theta waves are often associated with creativity, intuition, dreams, and deep meditation. You experience theta waves when you're drifting off to sleep, just waking up, or engaged in imaginative thought. Alpha waves. These are the relaxed and aware waves. When you're calm, focused, but not actively processing information, you're likely in an alpha state. Think about sitting quietly with your eyes closed or simply daydreaming. That's alpha at work. They're also prevalent during light meditation. Beta waves. Beta waves are your active and alert waves. They dominate when you're awake, concentrating, problem solving, making decisions, or engage in external activities. Too much high beta can sometimes lead to anxiety or stress, as your brain is overactive. Gamma waves. These are the fastest brain waves and are associated with high-level information processing, intense focus, learning, and cognitive tasks. When you're truly in the zone or experiencing moments of peak performance, your brain is likely generating gamma waves. They're involved in memory recall and sensory perception. It's important to clarify some common misconceptions. Brain waves are not thoughts or emotions themselves. They're the electrical activity that underlies thoughts, emotions, and all brain functions. They are a manifestation of brain activity, not the activity itself. They are not a direct measure of intelligence. While certain brainwave patterns might correlate with specific cognitive abilities, brainwave frequencies alone don't determine how smart you are. They are not fixed. Your brainwaves are constantly shifting and adapting based on your internal and external environment. They are dynamic, not static. They are not a mystical energy force. While often discussed in spiritual contexts, scientifically, brainwaves are simply measurable electrical signals. Understanding brainwaves can offer incredible insights into our mental states and how our brains function. They are a fundamental aspect of neuroscience and offer a window into the amazing complexity of the human mind. That's it for this episode of What Is, What Isn't on Owlogy. We hope you learned something new about brainwaves today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into another fascinating topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.